Good afternoon. Hello, idea.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, dear. Hello, Faye. Hello, Ploy. So let's see.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, dear. How are you today? Hello, Pao. Okay, wait till everybody start joining. So I need to look something and download some picture.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Okay.
That's good. That's good. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I don't have a picture from, yes, now I have. Okay. So,
Hello, teacher.
hello dear, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Good.
I'm fine.
I'm fine, that's good. Okay. So, hey, Heidi, are you okay?
Yes.
Yes. You always look to mom for you can answer or not that. Okay, okay. Hey. Up, my chair. Okay, good. So, what?
Love you.
What, Heidi? Tell me what you think.
What? You look what my mom make my lips.
Wow, red lips. How? How happened that?
Oh, but
Hello, teacher.
in app.
In app. Okay, so you not use lipstick now. This would be something new because I think you don't like lipstick, huh?
Yes.
And you don't like makeup. For me too. I don't like makeup. I don't like lipstick. I don't like long fingernails. Okay, good. So today we're gonna talk later. We're gonna talk about science. But first we go through some stuff. I make a short change. I go on the second desktop. Just a moment. Where's Kahoot? Here's Kahoot. Okay. So, why? Second desktop. Come on, come on, come on. Now, okay. So now you should see my second desktop. This is Kahoot. I make just a reload quick. Reload. Okay. So I have the actual points from everyone. So Heidi is on top, I mean, number 1. Then we have here communication points. So the result of the points, so till now I have 16 students. So that were Heidi, Idea, Faye, MJ, Look Chup, Pan Pan, Fei, Mickey, One Y, Put It, Minnie, Ann, Dutch Milk, Ken, Nutty, and Ploy. So these are the points that are okay. There were some, I just make this here quick, download the report. Okay, open it.
Teacher, can you make another Kahoot game?
Say again. Say again, MJ.
Can you make another Kahoot game?
Can we make another Kahoot game? Yes, but I can't make that. Why is your background so loud? Why is your background so loud, MJ? Okay. Final scores are here. So everybody what was with 0 was the test didn't work. Same by Faye today. Something worked wrong. So I had here 0 points. So Faye made the test again. When I have all answers, same as example here, 9 and 11 is 20. 9 and 11 is 20. That means this student have answered all questions, right or the wrong, doesn't matter. And we have here's example Heidi and Idea. Yeah, thank you for the coffee. Okay, Heidi and Idea have the highest points with 19 and 1 mistake. Faye has 18 and 2 mistakes. And so it goes on. So everybody what was here downstairs had to repeat the test. So MJ did already repeat the test. Faye also. This was me by testing the test. Bam and Dutch Milk. Dutch Milk, I think, did the test now too. Yes, Dutch Milk did a test now too. So it's only Bam now. What has the test make again? And IC also make the test again, please. So then we have Fully. Okay. Oh, I see. Yes, I see. Have to make the test again. Okay. So I have all result I have here. And for everybody who did the test not till now, you can do the test till on. Hello, dear. You can make the test till Friday. So then the second thing is I move this here. I told today in the live group how the second test will work. The only student that not have to test is Heidi and MJ. 2 students did the test already because I know Heidi. I not need to test Heidi. And MJ, I also not need to test in communication, but everybody else I will ask. So it's an example we have here, Mickey, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3. I will ask you 20 questions. You answer the 20 questions. So if you answer in a sentence, I will give you 1 point per question. If you answer me only in a word, but you still answer, then you get maybe a half point. Okay. So the question I didn't write here because the question I made already. So the question I already made, but I will not show the question before the test because it would be not fair. Some student could sit there and write the answers already, and then they just read down the answers, and this I not show the test. What I will ask, I will not ask difficult question. As example, what is your name? What is your nickname? How old are you? So as example, when I ask Faye, how old are you? What will you ask? What will you tell Faye?
I am 11 years old.
See, and you have already 1 point because you answer in a sentence. For me, it's very important when you answer to a question, you answer with a full sentence. You not say, I ask you, how old are you? 11. What is your nickname? Faye. So not short answers, 1 word answers. I like a full sentence. So how will it work? It will work like that. As example, I make this in the live group for you see how it works. So as example, I go there, not click the link now because it would be weird, only for you know how it works. So I will, as example, I will send the link into the live group and we'll say, okay, test for PUN, PUN. Okay. And then PUN, click the link. Do you understand PUN? Not now, only example. Okay. I write it downstairs. Oh my God,
Okay.
I write example wrong. Example. Okay. So only for you know. So then Pan, he clicked the link and join my Zoom lesson, also my Zoom. And then after I test you, the test will go about 5 minutes. And then I send the next link and the next link and the next link, and we'll wait till the student join. So this will work for the next days. I send the link. I will first look as example, who is online. I will ask who is online. And then I will test you one by one. I not test in the lesson. This we don't do because it's not fair. So as example, I pick Faye first. I ask Faye 20 questions and the other student know already what they have to answer. That would be not fair. So I make it one by one by one by one. Okay. So except Heidi and MJ, because same I told by them both, they know already. I know them already for, okay, by MJ, I not need to test him. His first language is English. And by Heidi, I not need to test because Heidi, I know for a long time. And I know she can speak English because she's looking. Okay, good. So now, do you have any question? Do you have any question for the test? Anyone have a question? Just ask, don't worry. Okay, good. No question, it's good. Then you understand what I said. So we have here my line messenger. Okay, here is our Kahoot. Okay, so we came, no, this is the wrong one. This is the wrong book. Here's the right book. Okay. So, no, here we are. So we've been talking about matter. So matter is everything around us, what we are here on Earth, except on one place when we go outside in space, there is a vacuum. So the space between the planets, there is almost no matter. That means there's almost nothing. There is no totally vacuum. So there is some gas outside in the space, but it is so rare, so little gas outside between our planets for we not really call it matter. So matter is everything around us. So let me see, I gonna go, I make open my list. Bad name. 21 students today online. Wow. Okay. Cartoon, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Cartoon, can you tell me one matter? Doesn't matter what is it. One matter.
Cooking food. Cooking of food.
No, actually, this is not a matter. A matter, as example, is water, iron, air, oxygen. This is also about matter around us. Same as example, a stone is made out of matter. Okay. So matter are substances around us. So we have there, as example, the word physical change. Physical change. Okay. We have a physical change and we have a chemical change. So when I go down here, as example, physical change, then I must have here somewhere chemical change. Am I correct? Let's see in the book. Okay, I not see a chemical change now here. Maybe it's somewhere mixed in. Just a moment. Ah, here we are. I must go far down. Okay, we have physical change and we have a chemical change. So physical change means as everything about the body. I went too far down. It's a little bit more difficult. Happening. I can make this here. Why I not have a book here? Ah, now it's come the book. Okay, sorry, just a moment. I go down here. So now here we are. Okay, good. So we have a physical change and we have a chemical change. Physical change in matter is everything I can reverse. So what does it mean, reverse? Reverse a physical change. So physical changes, when we read here as example, Faye, can you read me the first sentence here?
Changes are taking place around us all the time. Here are some examples of change that we can see in our daily life.
So, okay, changes are taking place all around, sorry, I must change my seat. Around us all the time. There are some changes, some examples of changes that we can see in our daily life. As example, ice cream. We know ice cream is made out of, as example of water, if it's or is made out of milk. So we have there as example, ice melt. Same as example, cooking food. We have it here, dissolved sugar in coffee. Why my mouse a little bit not really work? Okay. Then we have here as example, boiling water, rusting nails, and burning a matchstick. So, okay, MJ, can you read me that here? The changes happen around us.
The changes happen around us
Can be categorized.
can be categorized into physical change and chemical change. Which of the example above
Yes.
physical change? Why?
Okay, so we have here as example a physical change and we have chemical changes. Okay, so when you see the picture, which could be physical change and which could be a chemical change. So remember, physical change you can reverse. That means ice goes into water is a physical change. Water goes into steam is a physical change, because when I cool the water, the water steam down, I get water again. If I cool the water more down, I get ice again. So ice, water, steam, water, ice. So this is as example of physical change. So what we have here are physical change and chemical change. So can you tell me which one is a physical change? Let me see. Idea. You can use your hand. You can use the drawing. I don't know, it works by you. You know, you can draw. Chai Mai? You know how to do? Okay. Can you ask me which one do you think? Wait, I make first clean. Okay. Which one of the 6 picture is physical change? Which one of this picture is a physical change? You can reverse. idea. Okay. Yes. Melting ice. What more? What more? Melting ice. You can reverse. You can put it in the refrigerator again, and then it's again ice. Okay. Boiling water. Correct. The water steam goes up, cool down. Same. We have the clouds. Clouds is a type of water steam. So clouds come raining down again. Okay, so we have there melting ice, boiling water. Look, what are you writing? EV, I don't know. Okay, but there is one physical change more you can reverse. Do you know that? Which one? Which one is also physical change? Correct. Very good. Dissolve sugar into coffee or into water. So then we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 changes you cannot reverse. You cannot burn a matchstick and reverse it for it's a matchstick again, because there is a chemical change. So the wood goes into carbon. Or here's example, here, roast in iron nail. So this iron also has a chemical change, and you cannot reverse, you cannot change it. What have an egg, you cook, goes again into liquid, into an egg. This is not possible. So it's a chemical change. Okay, very good. Chemical change and physical change. So when we go down here, we have there a water pot, cup, spoon, and freezer. Pure water into a small cup, that is the stage of matter. So what state of matter is the water in the cup? What state of matter is the water in the cup? Fun. Oh my God, Ban is tired. He's stretching. What physical change is the water in the cup? Remember, we have 3 different stages. Stage number 1, solid. Stage number 2, liquid. Stage number 3 is gas. Okay. So when you have the water, wait, I make this I move this. When you have the water in the cup, what physical stage has the water in the cup? Have only 3. Ow. Anybody can answer? Who can answer?
Liquid.
Liquid, correct. Liquid. The physical change of the water in the cup is liquid, correct. Okay. So put the water cup into a freezer. After 2 hours, what happens to the water? The water changes into what? The state of matter of the water changes into phase. What does the water change to?
Solid.
Solid, correct. Solid. Because it is ice. So put the water cup into the freezer. After 2 hours, what happens to the water? The water turns into ice. So the water is solid. What state of matter has the water changed to? It is solid. What did we do to make the change of the state of matter? What did we do, Heidi? Where's Heidi? There's Heidi. What did we do? What did we do to make the change in the state of matter? For the water goes solid. What did we do?
I don't know.
Okay, what happened? Okay, you take, do you have a water bottle? ขวดน้ำมีไหม? So now you take this water bottle in your freezer. What will happen?
Deportation.
Say again.
Ice.
Yeah, correct. Ice. So the state of matter from liquid goes into ice, and ice is solid. So we have there, so what did happen to make the change of matter? So cooling down the water till it turned into solid ice. Okay. So we have there as example, 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius turn water, the liquid water, into ice. Okay. So now, what are any new substances formed in the process? No new substance, because the ice is still water. There is nothing new in the ice. Okay. Can you reverse the change, and how? Look, Jup. So we have here the ice we made into, we have the water, solid. We turn the water back into liquid. Can we do that? Ice into water. How you do that? How you turn the ice into water?
Gas.
How you do that? How you can make?
Go to the fit.
You have ice. You like to change the ice into water. How you do that? How can you do that?
Defrost it.
Warm it. Correct. You just take it out from the freezer. So can you reverse the change, and how? Yes. Okay, and then we make here, warm it up. So warm it up makes automatic the ice into liquid again. Boil some water in a pot. What do you see? Okay, let's see. Cartoon. Boil some water in a pot. What do you see? Yagไหม? When you boil water in a pot, you see water steam. Water steam. Okay. What state of matter has the water changed to? Let's see. I see. I see. I see. Quiet. Let's see. Okay. I see. Okay now.
Okay.
Okay. I see. When you cook water, same it's here, you get water steam. What state of matter is the water steam? Learning science online is so difficult. In real life, in the classroom, I just show you and we make experiments, and here we stuck online. Okay. So again, solid, liquid, gas. So we have solid, liquid, gas. Everything around us is solid, liquid, gas. So we have there as example, organic materials and inorganic materials. Wood, as example, is solid. I cannot make liquid, I cannot make gas out of wood. In wood, we only have a chemical change. So this matter, we cannot change solid, liquid, or gas. A stone, I can. Iron, I can. Water, I can. Oxygen, I can. So we have substances in our daily life. We can change the matter, the state of matter, but we have substances in our daily life. We cannot change the state of matter into solid, liquid, or gas. There we can make, as example, a chemical change. Same as example, I burn wood, the wood goes into carbon. So I cannot reverse. It is not possible. My goodness. Liquid, I write liquid there. Oh my goodness. Okay, liquid. So we have there solid, liquid, and gas. So we have substances, as example, iron. So we can go on YouTube as example and say, okay, I like to see, wait, this is show later. I like to see as example, oh my goodness, YouTube. Okay. Melting iron as example. So you have here cast iron, melt iron with heat. Same we see it here in a big iron factory. So go a little bit further here. Let's see. This was just a jump into YouTube, and I can cast iron in many different forms. So the iron I have to make liquid for I can work with the iron and cast the iron into different forms. So we have there many different ways we can work with materials where we have to change the state of matter. Same as example, you like to have ice cream, so you have to freeze. You have to freeze the water or the cream to make ice cream. So you change the state of matter. So the state of matter here by water steam is gas. What did you make the change in the state of matter? So we've been there heating it up. Are there any new substances formed? No, there is no new substance. So what the first thing what we have here, use everybody your dictionary. So, but before we do that, we make quick reconnect everybody. I go quick out. what is that? More chat. Teacher, I cannot hear you and my microphone won't turn on. Ploy. Oh, okay. I just see this now. Ploy. Ploy, can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. I just saw this in the chat because I make here the sharing off and I didn't see that. Okay. Everybody reconnect quick, go quick out and come new in. Okay.